Hey, welcome back to Cooking Around's channel. Today I have something that I love. It is pasta. What is it called? Spicy garlic butter spaghetti. Absolutely awesome. And when it's blended in with the oil and the garlic, it is out of this world. Let me show you how to put this together. Here it is. Simple ingredients is from the grocery store, and you're going to cook like a master chef. Of course, we start with the basic, the spaghetti. And what's going to make it taste good? Olives, butter, fresh butter, and of course, the garlic. And to spice up your life, cheese and hot pepper flakes. This is going to put the pizzazz, and this is what's going to curl your socks. But that depends how much you put in. As for me, I like it hot. Now let's start with the garlic. Add about 6 cloves, but since these are really large I have here, I'm going to use 3, which will be about 6. And I want you to slice it as thin as possible. I know it might be a little bit hard for you, but who cares? Just do the best you can, and I want it to look like this or any way you do it. Get a large pot of salty water, let it boil, and then put in about 200 or 7 ounces of spaghetti or your favorite pasta. And keep on stirring it every now and then so it doesn't stick, and we shall be back to it. Grab your favorite fry pan and put in about 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and let it heat up. Now, if you want, you can throw a piece of onion as a tester, like I'm doing here. Grab a medium chopped onion, as chopped as fine as you can, and let's put it into this mixture. My flame is on medium low, and I want you to keep on stirring for all that oil to blend in evenly. And now here comes the garlic, sliced thin. Now that oil is just going to penetrate into that garlic mixed in with the onions, and it's going to blend in perfectly and give you an absolutely delicious taste. So now to get that creamy texture, I'm adding about 4 tablespoons of butter, and this will make the sauce very creamy. Now here I would turn the heat down to low at this point. And now we are going to add the olives, the fresh olives. How much? I have here about 1/4 of a cup, but you know something, you can add more. And be careful if you add any salt, because the olives contain a lot of salt and the water that the pasta is cooking in. Add about 1 teaspoon or more, if you like to live dangerously, of hot pepper flakes. Add now 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce. And again, to give that awesome taste, about 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Now you can find this basically anywhere and any grocery store. It's very, very common. Okay, this has been going for about 2 minutes. Grab yourself a pasta, a spatula, drainer, whatever you want to call it, and start removing the pasta into this dish. But please do not drain it. Remove it right from the water, because the water is very starchy and it does actually improve this dish. Now let's move it around, get it all even. Okay, now to finish it off, 1/4 cup of finely grated parmesan cheese, or more if you will like. Just spread it on and start stirring again, and our dish is now complete. So there you have it. All I can say now, once again, is thank you very much for allowing me to present this video. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you watch my other videos. And once again, it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around, but I will see you again soon. Goodbye now.